serial robots and parallel robots. Technically, it needs a special attention because these robots are most widely used robots in the industry. The principles involved in understanding the physics of these robots are quite similar, and it becomes more mathematical as we move from serial to parallel robot. In this video, I'll discuss why these robots are so special by understanding its structural differences, advantages, disadvantages, and few of its applications. However, the rest of the course will limit our discussions to serial robots only. So let us start. Serial robots are most widely used class of the robots in the industry today. They are simple, easy to use, easy to understand, and easy to program these robots. It has a very good balance between its reach to a distance which is commonly used in the industry and its payload capacity. It offers a wide range of payload ranging from a very smaller ones that are commonly used in electronic industry to a huge ones that are used in case of any automobile industries. The video shows various motions that a six-off robot can offer, namely 3 Cartesian translations and 3 rotations in 3 orthogonal directions. These facilitate point-to-point motion, commonly known as PTP motions, which are most commonly used for pick and place tasks like palletizing or moving an object on and off from any moving conveyor. Most of the paths that such applications require are primitive motion tasks, which are in combination of linear or circular motions. And interpolated spline motions are most advanced motion that these robots can make. The applications include welding, painting, material handling, etc. A special and advanced tasks include compliant motion tasks that includes force torque sensor, as in case of material handling using 2 or more robots in collaboration, or any surface finishing task. Serial robots can also be programmed by directly feeding the joint motion trajectories. Each of the joint motion would create a circular arc in space. However, it is difficult to estimate the tool path in such motions. It requires a good amount of experience and proficiency in robot programming skills while using such advanced programming approach. It offers some special advantages. It is used to configure axis-specific workspaces by limiting some specific joint angular motion. This restricts the robot entering into probable areas of collision with the surrounding objects in the robot workspace. The approach of motion restriction for safety against collision can also be achieved using Cartesian workspace limiting. Specifying motion through joint space trajectories become quite useful if the robot end effector passes through any singular positions. Parallel robots. One of the most popular variant of these robots are 3 degrees of freedom delta robot. The applications include pick and place tasks, 3D printing, medical robots, or any gaming platform. The demonstration video here shows a 6 degrees of freedom robot that is popularly known as 6RSS, Revolute Spherical Parallel Robot, that is in Zamenhof configuration. It shows 3 translation and 3 rotation motion of the top platform in Cartesian workspace. These robots have very high power to weight ratio. These can be extremely fast and yet precise. These robots are comprised of complex mechanisms. It requires high-end controllers because of its perplexed kinematic and dynamic solutions, and to move smoothly through singularities that exist in its workspace. It has all the capabilities that a serial robots can have. However, it has relatively small functional workspace. Using joint space trajectory for this type of robot is far too complex to be used even by an expert user.